to invite friends in Monopoly Go. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to invite your friends in your Monopoly Go app. So first of all, just open your Play Store or your Apple Store, and after that on the search bar just simply search for Monopoly Go, and after that just go ahead and install the application in your device, and after that just open the app once it is done installing, and just launch the Monopoly Go in your device. Just simply log in with your credentials. You can also use your Facebook account or your Google account to log into your Monopoly Go account. And once you are there in the home screen, you will be able to see different options at the bottom of the screen like wins, build, album and friends. You just simply have to click on the friends section from the bottom right corner in your mobile screen. And over here you will be able to see different options like add friends, timeline and leaders board. So in order to invite your friends, you will have 2-3 options. Either you can go ahead and click on add friends from the top of the list as you can see on your screen, or you can go ahead and click on the contact section from there at the bottom. You can allow Monopoly Go to access your contact in order for you to invite your friends to play Monopoly Go with you, or you can also go ahead and invite your friends through your Facebook account, or you can also send invite link to your friends in order for them to join Monopoly Go to play with you. So for example, you want to invite your friends through your invite link. Just click on this invite link section over here, and after that just click on the invite section from there and select the app through which you want to invite your friends, for example WhatsApp, Instagram or any other platform. So this is basically how you will be able to invite your friends in your Monopoly Go. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.